This Harrier came all the way to us from Old Harbor, okay, for a full interior detailing and an exterior detailing. So we're gonna polish this vehicle, put a ceramic coating on it, and the interior we're gonna clean these leather seats. Buff off that to reveal the true shine, the Go-Care signature shine. Now it's time for the reveal. Give me a drum roll. Give me a drum roll. Welcome to Harrier. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that shine, my peeps. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Oh my gosh, look at the paint. It's so shiny, so shiny, so shiny. Give them a 360, 360, 360. Okay, look at it. Look at the interior, my peeps. This is amazing. Look at these leather seats. Everything looks new. Everything is smelling fresh. Everything is soft. Oh my god, the Go-Care team giving it the finishing touch right now. Alright. Let's go. Let's check out this side of the vehicle. Right here is fabric. We clean that, extract it, steam it. We applied our leather conditioning so the seats are soft and plush and nice again. Center console is amazing. Look at the cup holder, no stain, no dirt. Center console looking shiny. Alright. Look at the steering, very clean. Very clean. This area is refreshed by the Go-Care team. Rims looking amazing. Paint looking amazing. We did a polish and a ceramic coating on the paint. So you know the paint is super shiny.